objectives of this presentation is to present the company background, mission, vision, and core values, key products and services, company risk management, and market presence. Mindanao Consolidated Cooperative Bank is created by the consolidation of three constituents Cooperative Bank of Mindanao, namely Cooperative Bank of Misamis Oriental, Bukidnon Cooperative Bank, and Cooperative Bank of Agosa Norte. The mission, vision, and core values serves as a guide for company's goals and principles. The company has a clear vision that acts as unifying force and has a positive impact in the company. Mindanao Consolidated Cooperative Bank provides an array of loans, accounting, financial, and banking services. MCCB has four primary services, which are the agricultural loan, home loan, salary loan, and truck loan. We also have deposit products, which are the passbook, with the opening amount of 100 pesos earns 0.75% interest per annum, ATM savings deposit with the opening amount of 100 pesos earns 0.5% interest per annum, and a checking account with the opening amount of 5,000 pesos earns 0.25% interest per annum. MCCB adopted its risk management program based on three steps. 1. The functional area manager or supervisor will use the risk management system matrix to identify the risk. 2. Senior management will assess the risk using each type of risk assessment matrix if applicable. 3. Audit compliance will prepare the profile matrix to present to the audit committee and board. These are the Mindanao Consolidated Cooperative Bank market presence. Kamsahamnida.